They've been an amazing part of Western Queens movement, and I'd like to introduce Karla and Jeremiah.
Hey Astoria, what's up? I have a secret. Jeremiah, close your ears. I'm falling in love with Queens. Because all the people who are walking by, this is power, this is where it starts, and this is how the change is going to happen. So I'm so proud of every one of you.
Karla and I have been together nearly 11 years. We're getting married this September. And, right. I could not imagine a world where I couldn't marry Karla. But the fact is, 50 years ago, in most of America, it was illegal for us to get married. And we're only able to enjoy our love and our happiness freely because other people stood up and fought for our civil rights. One of my heroes is a woman named Mildred Loving. Mildred Loving is a black woman from Virginia who committed the crime of marrying a white man in Virginia in the 1960s. A judge told them they would go to jail if they didn't leave the state, and he nullified their marriage. Mildred Loving did not walk away for this. Instead, she stood up and she fought, and thanks to her courage and her dedication, and I see a lot of people waving some signs over there, the United States Supreme Court held that it is illegal to keep people from marrying based on their race, and held that marriage is a civil right. My friends, marriage is a civil right also for our LGBT brothers and sisters. That's why we're here, Queens. We're just another straight couple in support of marriage equality, and we're going to get this done. Thank you.